Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video I'm going to show you a guaranteed way of earning $500 per day using Microsoft Ad promoting Clickbank products without a website. Now, when I say this strategy is guaranteed to make you money online, I actually mean it, because if you follow this strategy that I'm showing you in this video right to the end and you implement it for yourself, you're actually going to see results as soon as today. Okay, so this strategy works worldwide. You don't also need to be an expert before you can implement this strategy for yourself. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is 𝗢𝗲𝗱𝗲𝗧, and today I'm going to be your guide. On our channel, we share videos on digital marketing, web design, affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, internet marketing, and how to help you make money online in general. So if you find value in this video you're watching today, please, I highly recommend you smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends so it will enable you to recommend our videos very well. Okay, so let's get straight into the video for today. Now, in order to implement this strategy, you first need to come to Clickbank. Now, for some of you, Clickbank might not be available in your country, so you can go over to 𝗢𝗂𝗿 or MaxWeb or Buygood. So go register for those networks. They are free to join and you don't need to pay any money. So go and sign up for those networks. But if you have a Clickbank account, you can just come here and click on the login button. If you don't have an account, you can click on this start here button to create an account with Clickbank. It's actually very easy. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be brought inside your Clickbank dashboard. Now, all you have to do is to click on this marketplace here and you'll be brought to this page. Now, on this page, click on this health and fitness here. Then you'll be brought to this specific page that I'm on now. Now, the product you're looking for is this product here, which is this 𝗢𝗂𝗿 now. Because this product is actually going to make you money. As you can see here, you can earn up to $136 per conversion when somebody clicks on your link, which is your ad, and buy this product, which is actually easy if you follow the steps I am showing you in this video. Okay, so now all we have to do is to click on this promote button here to promote this product. Now we just need to click on the create hop link button here, so it will generate our hop link for us. Now, once you get this link, this is your unique link that you're going to use to promote this product. And when somebody clicks on it to buy, you're going to earn sweet commission. Now, all you have to do is to click on this copy here. Then, put this link on Notepad. So just save it on Notepad for the meantime. You just need to come to Google search now and type Microsoft advertising. You can type Microsoft ad here, anyone there. Then to show you this result, all you have to do is click on it. Then if you don't have a Microsoft advertising account, then you just need to register. It's actually very easy to register and it is free. Just add your credit card here when it asks you to add your credit card, because you're actually going to be paying for the ads. Okay, so now this is my Microsoft dashboard here, the Microsoft advertising dashboard here. Now, once you come here, all you have to do is to click on this create button here. So just click on the create campaign. So it's to create a new campaign. You're setting up an ad campaign on Microsoft. Now, when you come here to ask you for your goal for this campaign, click on visit to my website. Then it will ask you, okay, what is the name of your campaign? So the name of your campaign can be so this is the name of our campaign here. So I like to do something like this here. Yes, because you're trying to target US here, and let's say CB simply means Clickbank. I like naming my campaigns like this. Okay, then it will ask you for your budget, because actually you can spend any amount you have. So there's no set budget that, okay, this is how much you can spend, but at least there's a minimum there, so you can't spend below, I think, $1 or so. So, but at least you should start from $10 and above. But if you want to use the strategy, I highly recommend you start from $100, because that is the way you're going to see results. From my own experience, that's where you're going to see results immediately, as soon as today. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put $100 here. Then next, we'll just scroll down. Okay, it asks us the location. Where do we want our ads to appear? So what you want to do, since you're limited on budget, but if you have unlimited budget, you can go with the 5 tier countries. But if you're limited on budget, all you have to do is just let me set a specific location here. Then all you have to do is just select United States here. You just type United here or United States. So let's just wait for it to load here. Now all we have to do is just click on target here, so it will select United States. So that is all here. But if you want to add more, you can still type the name of the countries, locations you want to add here, there to show. Then click on the target there. Now it asks you, who do you want to see this ad? We only want people living in our target location. We don't want people outside the United States to see our ad when they search on that product name. So we'll just leave it like this here. Then for the language, you leave it as English. Now all you have to do is to click on this button here. Okay, so for the ad groups here, all we have to do here is to name the ad group. So the ad group will also be 𝗢𝗂𝗿 here. Then we can use US then CB. So all these things is just, you know, optional, but I mean, you can name it anything. So yeah, I'll just choose ad group here. Okay. Now, what we have to do here, this is the most important part of this ad here, is where you say enter keyword. All we have to do is just put this kind of brackets here. You can see these two brackets I added here. Then put the name of the product here. So make sure the name of the product is spelled correctly here. So just add the name of the product here. You can also create more keyword like, okay, buy, let's say, Google. You can also do, let's say, Google. So you can target these keywords like this. But for best result, I always use only the brand name, which is just 𝗢𝗂𝗿 here. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is scroll down, then click on next. Okay, so here, this is where you start setting up the ad. Now, to set up the ad, you can just click on this create ad here. Now, it's actually responsive, so leave it as it is here. Then for final URL, what you have to do is to go to your notepad, copy your affiliate link, then open a new tab here and paste it here, then click on go. So let's just see what the final URL is for this domain, which is this affiliate link here. Okay, now you can see the final URL, which is this 𝗢𝗿 here. So what we can do is we can copy everything like this. You can copy, or let's just copy from here. This place which says .com, just copy from here. Then come back to this place, then paste it here. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Now, it will ask you for headline. You know, when you see ads on Microsoft, you can see an example here. There's an headline here. So you see the headline and the description here. Now, if you don't know how to write an ad copy, like an ad copy for this now, this is what we normally do. We put 𝗢𝗂𝗿, like for this type of ad, we put 𝗢𝗂𝗿 here. Then you can say official. Okay. So once you do this, then you can say, okay, save up to, because actually you're not, these people looking for this product, they already know about this product. All you have to do, your job is to just be in between the person buying that product. Just show them the ad. They know the product already. They've already, you know, the vendor might have shown them the ad somewhere, maybe on YouTube or somewhere on Facebook and so on and so forth. So they know about the product, but maybe they were kind of, you know, contemplating if they want to buy the product. Then maybe they've made their decision that, okay, they want to buy the product. Then they come to Google, they just type the name of the product, which is 𝗢𝗂𝗿 there. All you have to do is just put your ad, let your ad just be there. Once they see the ad there, they say, okay, this is the product I'm looking for. They'll click on the ad. They'll go to the offer directly. Once they go to the offer directly, then they will buy the product from there and you earn commission. So that is why we don't need to even stress ourselves about copywriting here. We can just put save up to. If you don't know how much they're going to save here, you can come to the offer here. So you can come to the offer here, then scroll down this page. Let's see how much this offer is. Okay, you can see save up to 500. That's the highest discount here is $540 here. So we'll come back here, we'll say save up to $540 today. Okay. Now you can say free shipping. Free US shipping. Just put US shipping because it's normally in US. Yes, free US shipping. Okay. Or we can use get free US shipping. Okay. So let's see how the ad looks like. You can see it here. Okay. So then for the description, we can just come here. We can say, okay, let's say don't buy. So I'll just pause the video and write this description here. Okay. So now you can see this description here. It says, don't buy 𝗢𝗂𝗿 if you've not seen this massive discount. Get free, as you can see it here, get free fast US shipping. Then you see the second line of the description here, because there's actually a limit here. You can see this one remains 1 character here, and this one 21 here. So you can, you know, customize your ad very well here, because you don't need to do too much. Once you copy something like this and add it to yours, you're actually going to see sales. Okay, now the most important part now is this place where it says add URL option. So you just need to click on it. Now where you see tracking templates here, remember your affiliate link. As you can see here, remember all we just did here was add the URL of the vendor here, because when they click on your affiliate link, after the redirection for Clickbank, it is going to redirect the customer to the vendor's website where they can purchase the product. So that is why we put this as the final destination where the person is going to land after clicking your ad. But in this place now, we need to add our affiliate link so that when they click on our ad, it's going to redirect them. By that time, Clickbank is going to install something called cookie on their browser before redirecting them to the vendor. So that if they eventually buy the offer from the vendor, you're going to earn commission because of this tracking template here. We added our affiliate link here. So now all you have to do is go to Notepad and copy and paste your affiliate link into this section here. Okay, so once you do this, then you can just click on this test button. So let's see. Okay, now you can see landing page found. So everything is working correctly now. All you have to do is click on save here. Now, once you click on save, you scroll down, then you click on next. Then it will ask you to review everything, which is your budget and every single thing here. Now, for this place here, we says bidding strategy, just leave it as enhanced CPC here. Now, I want you to also understand something here. You know, compared to the regular generic ad simply means, okay, this specific product now cures diabetes, blood sugar, and so on and so forth. But the regular generic ad, now what you as an affiliate might be doing is targeting the problem, which is, you know, diabetes, how to cure diabetes, how to, you know, diabetes remedy, and so on and so forth. Those kind of keywords, those are the kind of keywords you'll be targeting. And those kind of keyword, now you're actually going to be paying less than like 0 point something cents to promote using that keyword. But you need like hundreds of clicks before you can start seeing sales with those kind of keyword. But with this keyword, since the person buying this product already, they know about the offer, which is the product, they know about the product. They don't need to, you know, search through, okay, how to cure that before they can see this product. They just need to go to Google and type the brand name directly into Google and find your ad. So now, due to that reason, you're going to be paying more. Instead of paying 0 point something cents per click, you're going to pay, like, sometimes you might be paying up to $5 per click. It's actually worth it because this traffic you're getting is hot traffic. They already know about this product. So there's no actual selling there. You don't need to sell anything to them. You just need to show them your ad. They click on it and they go and buy. So if you're running this kind of ad, I highly recommend you start from like something like $5 so that you can outbid anybody that is already, you know, in the bidding rank there for Microsoft, you know, advertising for this specific brand keyword here. So we can just start with $5. But if you start with $5, you're not seeing enough traffic. You can increase your budget to like $6. At least just maybe $6 to $8 is kind of the maximum you can spend on a keyword. For my own experience, at least that is okay for me to spend. But if you spend up to $8, you're not getting enough traffic, I would just recommend you go find another offer that, you know, allows you to do brand bidding using the strategy I showed you in this video. Then, you know, set up the ad following the procedures I showed you in this video. Then put your $5 here again. So that way you can, you know, see more sales very fast. Now, conversions, you leave everything like this. Then you come to advanced here. You leave every single thing like this. Then you come to ad distribution here. Sometimes I do leave everything like this, but you can also choose to just show your, like, tell Microsoft to just show your ad on Bing, AOL, and Yahoo search only. You can see, to get the best high quality traffic from this advertising platform. Now, once you do that, you click on save. You click on save. So my card is not connected to Microsoft right now. That's why you're seeing this here. So if I click on save, it's going to tell me that, okay, it's going to enter. Let me just even click on it so I can see it. Now you can see account on hold because there is no fund currently on my account here. But once you set up your Microsoft account, by then to ask you to fund the account. So make sure you fund your account before running a campaign so that yours will just go from create campaign to e-review, then from e-review to enter approve. Then Microsoft to allow your ad to run on its network. Then from there, as soon as today, tomorrow, you start seeing commissions in your Clickbank account once you follow the strategy I showed you in this video. Okay, so if you're looking for a proven online business to start right now and start making money online, so all you have to do is to click on this link which says get blueprint. So when you click on the link, it's going to bring you to my landing page here. On my landing page, just click on this button here, then enter your email address here and click on this send me the free video. So I'm going to send you a free video that is going to walk you through on how to start a high ticket affiliate marketing business, you know, marketing product that is actually selling and people are already looking for those products to buy online. All you have to do is just market to these people, and when you do this, they buy this product, you're going to earn as much as $1,000 per conversion when you earn a sale through, you know, your affiliate link promoting this product I'm going to show you in the next page when you sign up, putting your email address here. Okay, so if you found value so far in this video, please, I highly recommend you smash the subscribe button. Please smash the subscribe button, like the video, and also share it with your friends. So it enables us to grow on YouTube and also enable YouTube to recommend our videos very well. But before you go, please also check out these videos that are appearing up here so that you can learn more money making strategies on how to make more money online. So I hope to see you in one of our next video. Thank you for watching.